Let's get to the final trade of the day. Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joining us for that. Hello, and great to see you at your home trading base there, Scott.
Hi, Angie. How are you doing?
Doing so well. I know the trading continues on for you, Scott. What do you see in this market that you like?
That I like? Well, I saw a little bit towards the end of the week, a little bit of consolidation. And what I was really looking for is, the VIX trading 80, that's at levels we've never seen it sustain like that before. But if we can see just a little bit of contraction, a little bit of consolidation, that could be the sign that maybe we're starting to form a bottom.
What would you be buying or selling here, Scott?
So I have been doing nothing but selling volatility in every position that I've taken. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that I am long or short a position going down or up. What I'm doing is just taking advantage of selling just literally unheard of levels of volatility, but always spreading my positions so that if we do get big moves in the individual stocks I'm looking at, I'm always stopped out. I always know what my risk is.
Taking a look at some of the big movers in the market, we saw the airlines move, some cruise stocks. It's a game of Rambo here. If you want to be a hero, you can buy some of these stocks at lower levels and hope that you get a big, swing for the fences kind of a hit, but a lot of risk, right?
So I've never traded like that. I don't need to be a hero. I don't want to swing for the fences. So every trade that I have made, Angie, over the last few weeks, especially last week, has always been completely risk defined and at levels that I want to trade at. Not necessarily what the market is telling me right now, but levels that I want to trade at. And if I miss a trade, and I missed a lot of trades last week because maybe I was, trying to collect too much credit, I'm okay with that because in this environment, a trader has to do things at a level that they are comfortable with.
Right. And every trader, and everyone needs to know this, has the woulda, shoulda, coulda. You cannot your hopes on some of the craziness that I know could work, but it might not too. So what would be a trade of the day for you here, or maybe a trade of the week, or maybe a trade of the month for the rest of the month?
Well, there's been a lot of strategies that I've looked at over the last couple of weeks that have worked out really well. But one going into next week, something that we did here was in Gilead. Gilead's been kind of at the forefront of the news of, potential. Maybe they have, a solution, maybe they don't. The stock has formed a great trading range over the last couple weeks. So what we actually did was sell an iron condor. Okay. We sold in Gilead a put spread and we sold a call spread. And we did that because we were able to collect just an insane amount of premium. So what I did, I sold this coming week, March 27th expiration, the 70-65 strike put spread, sold that. Also sold on the upside, the 85-90 call spread. I did that for $2.50. Okay. If Gilead remains to trade in this range, anywhere by Friday, 67.5 to 87.5, I win on this trade. If it trades outside of that range, I am totally maxed out on the amount of money that I potentially have at risk, as the spread that I did can never be worth more than $5.
Well, the thing is, a lot of people are looking at that stock as a straight buy because they're hoping that Gilead comes out with some sort of treatment for coronavirus.
You know what? I hope I lose on this trade over the next week, that they do come out with a treatment, that they do come out with the antidote, and I hope the stock goes to 10,000 over the next week because of that. However, if it does, I have completely capped off my loss. I have completely capped off my risk, and I'm comfortable with it.
I'm comfortable with that too. I hope we find a cure. Thanks so much, Scott. Wonderful to have you here. Have a great day.
You too, Ann.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.